hashtag Ginger Lives Matter on the windshield. Yeah, I saw that. Fucking sweet FC. That dude was killing it. He was like, that dude didn't give a fuck. He ruined all of his bumpers and side skirts, all of them. He was just out there just murdering it. That silver.
Alright, what's going on, guys? Been a couple days, but been busy at work, waiting for parts, all that fun stuff. But today I got something to do. I'm going to flock my dash right here. Thank you, Michael Gall. But yeah, so I'm going to be doing that tonight, and first things first, taking out this dash, which should be pretty fun. Mine should be easy, doesn't have much. That'll be fun though. Alright, I'm gonna get to that. Alright guys, so like I said, first things first, pretty much start taking apart the dash, which for my car isn't really that difficult, you know. Mine's pretty bare. Underneath the dash there's nothing behind there, it's just wires. Start here at the shift knob. Whoa. Alright. Well, that's off. Pretty easy, huh? I don't really need the C brake on. Alright. Mine's rigged up with just one screw. So alright, I gotta unhook all my stuff. I don't know if you can see this, but I'm gonna unhook this quick. Kind of get all that out of the way. Take my main power off. Unhook that. So, BRB, as some would say. Alright guys, I got everything loose and out. All that jazz. It's ready to come out, so I'm gonna get to that. Alright, it's out. I'll probably take that out, even though it's already kind of flock looking. I'll do these. Probably cover up these rubber deals. I'll do that. Not gonna do the glove box. Not gonna do the center console surround. And not that. I'm gonna leave that just a plastic look. So, we get this set up on a table and cleaned up, and start spreading this glue around and start this flock process. See what we got. Yeah, it's over here. That was 14 minutes. Alright, so completely flocked. It's pretty sweet, actually. It's hard to tell over here. Yeah. Anyways, I have a couple more pieces to flock, so I'm gonna get to that. Alright, what's up guys? This is the next day. Kind of gave it time to dry and all that. Cure up. It says 10 to 15 hours. But here is my final product. Right there. It's kind of weird lighting in my... Yeah, there it is. That's a Flox dash. I like it. Looks cool. That I didn't flock, so a little bit of a different contrast there. And this is all done. Alright, that's probably it for now. That's flocking your dash. Looks pretty good. Can't wait to get it in the car. But yeah, I still got some stuff to do on the turbo build, so kind of doing some of that now, getting my oil pan ready, getting that's all pretty much ready to go. But fitting some stuff, waiting on intercooler piping, so just waiting on parts for the turbo build, so that's why I haven't really done anything on that. But yeah, that's it for this one. So like, subscribe, comment, questions about the car, things of that nature, just put them in the comments. See ya.